Hi everyone, my name is John.
I'm Joey.
And we work at the Future Students Office here at Corpus Christi and St. Mark's College.
Located on the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territory of the Musqueam people.
Are you a student weighing your post-secondary options for the next few years? Are you a parent looking for the best place for your future young adult to begin the newest chapter of their life?
If that's you, we're inviting you, yes you, to come join us for Open House Preview Night.
At Preview Night, you'll not only get a chance to learn about our robust academic programs, but also our amazing leadership and mentorship opportunities designed to raise your profile. You'll get a chance to also connect with our deans, our academic advisors, our professors, and even some of our current students. All this will get in the opportunity as well to
come take a campus tour with us.
Have all your questions answered by our team of experts.
And enter to win our exclusive college swag.
Our goal is to give you your best start to university.
What are you waiting for? Register today while spots remain.
We can't wait to welcome you to the campus here.